Hello evaluators, I'm Alessandro Rego de Lima. I'm a PhD student and I'm happy to introduce Hypercube. You asked me a PowerPoint presentation and that is what you see here, but I'm using Hypercube 4X as my viewer. As the 4X sounds suggests, Hypercube is available for experimentation. So I invite you to enter the project website, download the prototype, and view this presentation in its natural environment. For example, these two planes is in the same color with a slight brightness difference. This effect has minimal impact on PowerPoint, but here they look like being on different planes. Moreover, this is what makes Hypercube different from all virtual reality existing proposals. It wants to make the screen to be the natural extension of human spatial cognition, not only in games, videos, or social network, but also for reading and viewing data. Nowadays, screen suits the cinema. So by thinking of the screen as the filmmaker, we enrich the immersion, interaction, engagement, and generates the prototype interface. In addition, we developed the three conceptual applications to test our foundations. In this way, we found a series of possibilities where the limitations of the desktop metaphor are an issue. However, we needed to narrow the scope of this research to the most promising use cases. For example, I live in Espírito Santo, Brazil, a state known worldwide for the natural stone industry. Here we saw the possibility of joining advanced technology answers to issues of a traditional industry. Visualizing natural stone in virtual reality can become the first metaverse proposal that solves a real-world problem. Port logistics is another vital area in the local economy and a great candidate for the metaverse too. Imagine following the movements of loads without exposing people to toxic products or the risk of accidents using virtual reality glasses. The pandemic forced teachers to reinvent their way of working. Here was a new chance for Hypercube to solve real-world problems. We proposed to some educators think like a filmmaker, aiming to evolve the traditional presentation model to one that adds Ken-Burns and parallax effects. This is another Hypercube differential, so as shown in this slide, it can add value by increasing productivity and improving user experience in various industries. And that connects to our value proposition. Xerox created the transition from the command line to the graphical interface. We want to help transition to virtual reality by transforming the reading and viewing of information. Therefore, our versatility reflects in our business model, which is comprehensive and has many ramifications. We can release free, sponsored, and paid products, always seeking the balance between minimizing the cost to the end user and maintaining project funding. That's why we want to provide a marketplace for applications, content, and services, which can be financed with paid advertising and license sales. Therefore, we have several paths to grow. A Go board differs from a chess one in that it starts empty. The player would start at any point and advance in one or more directions. Initially, we will occupy the space left by the IT industry, engaged in the desktop metaphor. The project started by chance, but gradually took shape, received awards, and can grow even more in the future. We are applying to this award because we believe in the project's potential. The following slides contain extra related information. Thanks for watching!